Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Sunday, March 21st, 2021. It is 3:03 and 49 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, lichen species. So let's hop to it. 4 lichen species new to science discovered in Kenyan cloud forest. Date March 18, 2021. Source, University of Helsinki. Summary. Some of the newly described lichen species from the mycorrhizae genus may be unique to the biodiversity hotspot that is the Taita Hills in Kenya. The area may contain even more lichen species yet to be discovered. Mycorrhizae pumila, M. stellaris, M. titensis, and M. versicolor are small lichens that grow on bark, on trees, and on decaying wood. The species were described based on morphological features and DNA characters. Species that belong to the mycorrhizae genus are known all over the world, including Finland. However, the mycorrhizae species recently described from the Taita Hills have not been seen anywhere else. They are not known even in the relatively close islands of Madagascar, where species of the genus have been previously studied. They are not known even in the relatively close islands of Madagascar, where species of the genus have been previously studied. The Taita Hills cloud forests are quite an isolated ecosystem, and at least some of the species now discovered may be native to the area or to eastern Africa. The research preliminary findings also suggest that there are more unknown mycorrhizae lichen species there. The Taita Hills are part of the Eastern Arc Mountains that range from southern Kenya to eastern Tanzania. The mountains rise abruptly from the surrounding plain, with the tallest peak reaching over 2 kilometers. Lush indigenous rainforests are mainly found on the mountaintops, capturing precipitation from clouds and mist developed by the relatively cool air rising from the Indian Ocean. Thanks to the ecological isolation and the favorable climate, the area is one of the global hotspots of biodiversity. However, the native cloud forests in the region are shrinking year by year as they are replaced by forest plantations of exotic tree species that are not native to Africa. Compared to 1955, the area of indigenous forests has been diminished to less than half. Planted forests have been found to bind less moisture and be more susceptible to forest fires. Therefore, they can make the local ecosystem drier and result in species becoming endangered. Some lichen species are capable of utilizing cultivated forests, at least temporarily. But indigenous forests have the greatest biodiversity and biomass. The University of Helsinki maintains in the area the Taita Research Station, which is celebrating its 10th anniversary this year. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.